Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Queen of the Sun Oracle, Guidance Through Solar and Seasonal Energies by Stacey DeMarco. And I am quite excited because this seems like the sister deck to Queen of the Moon Oracle that she did a few years ago. So I am quite excited. This is published by Rockpool. Thank you so much to Rockpool for sending this our way. Like I said, so excited. This retails for $24.95 in the US and $18.99 in the UK. And as always in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. All right. A sister, oh, it is, it does say sister deck. Okay, cool. A sister deck to the Queen of the Moon Oracle. This oracle focuses on solar power. Powerful, extroverted, fertile, and expansive. It details cycles and seasonal aspects with a spectacular 11-year solar cycle to observe, as well as the cycles of the Celtic wheel of the year and phenomena like eclipses and flares. It also features the wisdom of amazing goddesses and gods of the sun from all over the world. All right, this includes 44 cards and a guidebook, and the artwork is by Kinga Britschgi. I can never say her name correctly, so I do apologize. Kinga Britschgi. Beautiful packaging. Stunning. Draw down the power of the sun. Love that. Okay, go over there. Ooh, cool. So before we get into the cards, I do just want to take a peek at the guidebook to see if there is a specific way that we have to utilize this. Color printed. Nice. We do have a wonderful table of contents here. Fantastic. Page number for each of the cards. All right, if this deck is to be used for divination, I suggest first you dedicate or bless your cards, and then she does have a dedication too. Second, spread the whole deck out on a table or the floor or the earth, and then relax. And then go from there. Very cool, very cool. There are 3 kinds of cards in the deck. We have solar cycle cards, seasonal lunar cards, and other solar related cards. The deck is designed so you can use all the cards together for your guidance, or just pull from the solar alone, or the solar and seasonal alone is up to you. Finally, you might also wish to try some of the following techniques of divination and oracle tradition. 1-card divination, solar power 3-card draw, the 4 elements spread, traditional 7-card spread, and a full solar cycle spread, and a seasonal. Very cool. Dedication for your cards is there. Solar energy with crystals, stones, or metals. Love that. Okay, and then it goes into the card meanings here. Awesome. Lots of information. I'm very excited. Let's get into it. And they are high gloss. Nice. Beautiful back. And they're a good medium, thin thickness. I like this. Very flexible. Snaps back. That gloss is going to help make the cards be stronger as well. We have a gold foiling on the edges. Love that. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm sorry. I know I'm biased, but I'm excited. All right. We have a number up top, and then we have the title down below. So Solar Cycle 1 with purpose. Solar Cycle 2 with action. Ooh, Resilience, Solar Cycle 3. Cycle 4, Focus. Candle in the hair. Cycle 5 with Desire. Solar Maximum, Accomplishment. Beautiful. Cycle 7, Will. Cycle 8, Contentment. Oh, there's a little baby down below. Cycle 9 with Ideas. Oh, that's a cool concept. Reformation, Cycle 10. Solar Minimum, Rest. Love that. And Queen of the Sun, Power. Beautiful. Aurora, Beginnings. Sol Invictus, Life. Amaterasu, Recovery. That is gorgeous. Beavi, Mental Health. Hathor with Joy. Oh, beautiful. Flora with Fertility. What a beautiful deck. I'm loving the concept. I'm loving the different ages, the different cultures. I love all of this. Brigid with Creation. Sekhmet with Protection. Truth with Aya. Pavatar with Weaving. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. Saleh with Welcome. Sulis with Synergy. Suradev with Illumination. I love the inclusion with some masculine energy here too. Apollo with Insight. Just wanted a close up on them. Helios with Cycles. Ooh, Ayin with Wealth. Balder with Beauty. Raw Order. Litha, Vitality. Llamas with Gratitude. Mabon with Preparation. Soen, Possibility. Yule, Hope. Imbolc with Renew. Ostara with Grace. Beltane with Passion. Eclipse, Boundaries. Flares, The Unexpected. Rainbow, Reflection. Oh, that's gorgeous. photosynthesis, reciprocity. Your year, progression. And the sun, the center. All right, let's see how it shuffles. Beautifully done. Oh yeah. I think it will go really well in combination with the Queen of the Moon Oracle. I think that's going to be something that I will like to experiment with. Side by side shuffle, great. Oh, that I think is going to be the way that I do it. All right, overhand, nice too. They feel really good. Let's get a card to read, please. I think they're beautifully done. I love the contents in here. Okay, we're going to read for reflection, rainbows. All right, reflection. Stop, smile, and dream a little. Awe and beauty are important, and healing. Get outside and allow nature to de-stress you. We get another chance at something hard. Take into consideration diverse views when making a decision. Things will improve rapidly. And then we have a quote. I see beauty, I reflect beauty back into the world. That's a great affirmation. When we see rainbows, we usually stop and are delighted at what we see. For this multicolored arc of light to be seen, the sun is necessary, and often the sun's position is opposite the rainbow. Rainbows are formed by the process of refraction and reflection of water droplets in the air, which is why many rainbows happen during rain showers or after. The familiar arc of colors, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, is the continuous spectrum of the breakdown of what usually appears as white light. Rainbows are shimmering and temporary, which add to the inherent magic. They have a mythological significance as a link to the gods and even as representation of deities themselves. The ancient Greeks had a goddess called Iris, which literally means rainbow. The Greeks wished upon a rainbow if they saw it and believed that Iris could answer those wishes. They also saw the appearance of colors as a good omen that brought with it positive opportunities. Then we also have a companion stone here. Companion stone or metal, opal. That's really cool. And then on the edge here, you'll see this is other solar phenomenon. And then you'll see the 8 seasonal wheel of the year card, solar deities, and then the 11-year solar cycle. That is so cool. I think this is beautiful. I think this is great. Like I said, I know I'm a little biased here because I do really love Stacey DeMarco's work and the first Queen of the Moon Oracle. So, I really love this concept. I think this is great, especially if you were wanting to learn more about solar energies and the solar gods and goddesses. This would be a fantastic intro point for you. This is just phenomenally done. I think it's beautiful. I love the diverse cast of characters we have in here. I love how rich and dreamy and wonderful the artwork looks. I think there's something in here for everyone. It's a great daily use deck as well. You can use this for a daily pull. You can use this for healing. You can use this for confirmation in your tarot. You can use this just for reading with the solar energies. So if you come upon a rainbow today, you can pull the card out and use that as a sign too, as divination. So I think there's a lot of ways to use this, and I think it's done wonderfully. And the price point, I am not mad at that either. I am very excited to get to know this a lot deeper. And thank you again to Rockpool. I am so excited. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments section below. Are you excited about this? Do you love the first Queen of the Moon? I can show you the similarities. The guidebook is very much the same concept as this new one, but we have similar art styles. We do have the cycles of the moon here, which is fantastic. So I'm so excited and thrilled to have this in the collection as well. So let me know what you think down below. As always, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me, and it helps appease the algorithm gods. Thank you again so much, and have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.